In this first week, I will take you through a relational database on the cloud and connect and explore data with Python and SQL. Working with a relational database in the cloud represents a modern approach to database management and offers advantages over traditional on-premise environments. First, we'll provide an overview of Postgres on the cloud, and then I'll help you set up your machines with Python. And finally, I'll help you connect to the database using Python. Let's start with our first exercise. This is going to be hands-on. In this first exercise, we'll cover connecting to a Postgres database on the cloud using tools like PGadmin. You will get first-hand exposure to connecting to a fully managed Postgres database on AWS and our Vassell storage. In exercise 2, we will explore data using SQL. I have pre-prepared a number of SQL scripts available on the LMS for you to get started. Next, I will help you set up your laptop with a Python development environment. We will use our development environment using Visual Studio Code and several extensions. We'll start using Python to connect to Postgres, and we'll learn how to edit, run your Python code using Visual Studio Code, including advanced tools such as GitHub Copilot. Earlier on, we had connected to Postgres database using PGadmin, but this time, I'll show you how to connect to your database and run SQL in code. Finally, we'll explore how to handle complex data, such as real-world healthcare scenarios in Python.